Like, very much I have, like, some thoughts, very much my take, but it's really hard to know, right? Because the technology is progressing at such an incredible pace, and so I think it's almost impossible for me to think of it 10 years away. Maybe I can think of, like, even just, like, 2 or 3, right, as, like, the art of the possible.
Sure.
Um, but, I can imagine scenarios where you would have a AI supercharging a human conversation, where maybe you would have, individual agents for every learner, and then you would have a facilitator agent, and that agent is able to focus the conversation, where it matters. It's immersive in the conversation, so it's not a chatbot at all. It's probably audio with some ability to do, image generation or activity generation that participants or learners can participate in together, and is able to actually intervene at the right moments to progress the conversation forward, but more importantly, know when to take a step back and not
Mm.
feel the need to actually have a back and forth of, like, I talk, you talk, I talk, you talk, but rather in a discussion forum and, with a series of objectives. So it's there's a lot of opportunity, I think, within the space of cohort based learning, but it's right on the edge of, what anybody's thinking about.